Wow, hello. Hey, say hi to my... Hey, welcome to Non-Massacre. Alright? Well, I tried to call my friends, even though I didn't call them. But yeah, they're too busy. So I'm gonna play this game alone in my damn house with my dog. Hey Haru, say hi. Haru.
What's up? Yo, what's up, Pinkies? It's your girl.
Oh wait, you're a girl? I didn't know that. Oh wait, she's a girl. Okay, let's play intro or skip ahead. Or let me just use the control. Alright, what's the move? Q and E P. What? I can pick in this game? Alright, how about that? Shift, run. Z, inventory. Z, inventory, it should be I. But okay, whatever. Okay, should I explain this game to you? Nah, I don't think so because you know this game well. This game is popular, right? Right? Wait a second. We're good! We're good to go! Okay, what is this game? Hey. Should I explain this game to you? I don't think so. You know this game well? Well, to be honest, I don't really know about this game. But I found this from YouTube, of course. And then I decided to download this one. Is this game is free? Because I downloaded this game free. Maybe it's not. Am I gonna get in trouble playing this game without paying this game? Well, if you want me to delete this video, well, okay, I'll do that. So okay, so this game is kinda of some kind of 1980s graphics thing. Because look at that. Look at this. And also I lower my resolution. I adjust my resolution to a small one because it's lagging a lot. Yay! I can open, of course. I can interact. Wait a second. Let me adjust my volume. What the heck happened? Okay, I can't see a thing because it's so damn dark. Okay, what is that? Hello? It's a letter. Oh! Yay! God damn it, I got scared by the letter. Okay, good job. Good job, Detroit. Oh my god. Alright, what does it say? Dear Mrs. McDon... Oh! What is going on? Oh my god, why am I in here? I just... Okay, we're here. Alright, it's road closed. Okay, good. Let's go out of here. Let's get out of here. There's a letter. What is this? Is that a letter? Alright, let's do... Oh! Let's do this. Road closed. Okay. Okay, I can jump, of course. Of course, I can do a parkour thing. Yeah, I wonder what this game. Can I jump? Oh no, I can. Am I dead? Oh, what? Well, I should have done that. Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive, of course. Maybe I'm a girl. Oh yeah, I think I'm a girl. And I am a nun. And then they will massacre me and my what did it say in the letter? Oh, I can zoom. Of course. Hello! I didn't even bring my umbrella. It's damn raining. I mean, the graphic is amazing. The graphic is amazing. Funny, Detroit. I mean, okay, of course. The graphic is amazing. What you gonna do about it? Where am I going now? Oh my god, the thunder. You know what? I'm gonna run. Oh, and also I have a stamina. When you're playing a horror games and the graphic is just like this, well, shit will happen, right? The game will be much scarier because of this thing. I mean, the atmosphere. Look at that. We're in the mountain. Stamina. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Oh, I didn't realize that. Hey! Is that a killer? I thought it's a forest. Oh wait, is that? Hello? Maybe it's a statue. Don't mind that. Just in case something's bad gonna happen, I'm just gonna do this while walking. Alright, you know what? Let's just run. on, Massacre. God damn it. It's my gem. Woo! Whoa, God! No! You don't do that! Hey! No! Stop it! Alright, get scared by my dog. Good job. Good job, mate. Except there's a truck. It's locked. I don't see anybody around. Well, I don't even know where am I going. Hello? I thought this game is scarier. Oh, there's a cross thingy here and a wheelchair here. A long wheelchair. Okay, looks like that's creepy. Alright, there's a cross, a wooden cross. Alright, this game is probably gonna be scarier because we saw that. Is that a house? Oh, it's a big ass house. I mean, a building. When we enter. Whoa, what is this? What is that? Is that a door? Hello? Sumimasen. I need help. Tasukete kudasai. Tasukete kudasai de. I need help. Wait, I thought it's a door. Is that a door? I can't see it. God damn it, this freaking game. What am I doing? What am I doing this? Why am I playing this game? This game is so confusing. Oh, so you didn't even tell me. PSX? VHS? Alright, let's do a PSX. Oh, now I can see. You didn't even say anything there. The hell is this game? I thought this game was scarier. But this game looks like a stupid one. But we'll see about that. Don't judge a book by its cover, dictoids. Clear? The hell's doing? No! Since I'm an idiot person, alright, now I know how to fix the graphics thingy and PSX. Okay, now I can see well, and also I still don't know how the heck did that happen. I just clicked the clear one, and then it got exit. Dear Mrs. McDonald, I hope this letter. Shut up, Thunder! I'm trying to read the letter here. I hope this letter finds you well. Your child is sick and needs your what? I still can't read it. What the hell is going on? Immediate attention. We will normally handle this matter, but the situation is urgent. As we do not have telephone service, you will need to appear in person in the peace of Christ. Mother Apollonia. Alright, looks like I read it well. Oh wait, that's not a statue! Hey! Hey, you're gonna kill me? Oh! Hey, kill me already! Alright, looks like that guy is good. Or girl. All you need to do is to change it to PSX. And now I can see well. Sometimes my idiotic is almost frightening, you know?
It's almost frightening.
Why the heck did you put the building in top of the mountain? Huh? Look at that. Right in the freaking top of the mountain. Huh? Holy heck. Alright, we're here in this big ass buildings. And looks like we need to keep going in here. Alright, okay. Be careful. You don't need to fall. I don't need to fall. I don't need to do it again. Hey, shut up! You think I'm scared of you, Thunder? Are you guys scared of Thunder? I have a question. Why? I still don't know why are other people scared of the thunder. When they hear a thunder and then they go, oh my god! They go something like that. Oh, I mean no, that's not. Wait, don't do that. Oh yeah, maybe some kind of phobia thingy. I don't know what was it called. Thunder phobia. Wait, thunder phobia. Okay, so there's a metal door, and there's a which means we can now open the door. Alright. What? Don't close the door! Just open the door! Oh, it's loading. Okay, looks like the game will be crashed in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, I guess the game is still keeps going. I was expecting I mean, this game will be crash because you know, playing on horror games at night, it's a bad idea. Always a bad idea. All right. I wonder what is this game. I wonder why this game is so popular last year, or well, I don't know. 2019. I don't quite remember. I don't remember. But we'll see of how much scarier of this game. I'm opening. Oh my God! It's so weird to open the door. And it's a bad thing that I can't see a thing in this game. Oh, wait, never mind. There's a lamp, there's a light. Oh, hey, there's a... What? Oh! You son of a Dio! Oh my God, Dio. That's not a Dio, that's a lighter. You scared me, lighter. Alright, what you got from here? So if you see a light, which means it's an important thingy, and you need to you gotta be kidding me! What? I'm gonna freaking hide? You suck! No! Come on, get going. Be a man. Be a man. Okay, remember that I tell you that why people are scared of thunder? Because I think I know why. God dang it. There's a hiding spot. I mean, there's a hiding skills in this game, which means we're dead. I mean, there's gonna be some kind of an idiot that will chase us, and then they will do a karate thing, a television, just a TV. Whoa. Whoa. Looks like we need to find oh, there's another hiding spot. Oh wait, we can't. We're too fat. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, that's good. Oh, so far. What up, Sopa? Alright, I'm gonna check all the drawers. I'm gonna check all the cabinets so that I don't miss a thing in this game. We have a lighter, which means it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Okay, let me open this door. Where's my damn child? Son or daughter? What is this? Dear diary, Mommy dropped me off at my new school. I'm going to miss my old friends. I brought Bongo with me. Thought we have a teacher named Sister Yupimia. She has an assistant named Sister Odelia. Can you please stop doing the wiggle thing? That freaking graphics, man. Okay, whatever. I'm not complaining though. They're teaching us all about the saints and what wonderful lives they live. Today we learn about Saint Lucy. Her eyes were put on a plate and she became what? Mary. Okay, I don't even know what does that mean. That's weird. Word, Sister Yupimia. Mea Kalepa. What? Said that her love for God saved her from the evil Romans that tried to hurt her. Sister Rose said that the mother of Apollonia is gonna take care of us. Sure, why not? Oh wait, I dropped. Also, when you press F, you can drop things. Why the sound effect of when I open the door from the closet? It's scary. Look at that. But I'm not complaining. That's the high quality. That's the quality of the game. That's how the game works. Okay, you don't need to ask. All right. What kind of sound effect is that? There's another one in here. Hello. Why am I doing in the bathroom? I don't know. And I'm getting. Oh, Thunder! You got me, Thunder, but don't do it again. What kind of sick parents that leaving your child in here? They can't even clean this damn building. All right. Oh wait. Actually, I don't know the story, but I just read the the text. The what is it called? The note. I just read the note. All right. I check all the rooms, but I don't know what's going on in this game. Am I still recording? Now where am I going now? Where am I going next? You scared the fuck out of me, but I'm scared. I'm not scared. What? What is this? Looks like I'll die. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Of course, you're gonna die. I check all the rooms. What do you want from me? Okay, let's go out, I guess. Oh, what the heck? I can't go back. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, the sound effect, of course. That freaking sound effect. It's not even.
I got you!
Hey, no! Lagging! It's so goddamn lagging. Okay, I get it now. You're scarier. The sound is so scary. Oh my god, I died! Oh. Ah, what the hell? Don't tell me I'm gonna do it again. Alright, we're back again in this place. Okay, so looks like we know our freaking damn enemy. It's a nun with a disturbing sound effect. God dang it, that's how you make a game, okay? That's how you make an horror game. Just put a disturbing sound effect when someone chasing you. That's how you do it. That's how you, okay? That's a professional way when you make an horror game, okay? Wait, open the door, idiot. How am I supposed to outrun that nun, that crazy ass nun, if when she suddenly show up, it's getting blurry and then laggy a little bit? How am I supposed to outrun? How am I supposed to run? I mean, what's my goal in this game? Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh, no! You think I'm gonna fall for that again? No, thank you. I'm not gonna do it again. I have a lighter. And that's all. That's all my things. A freaking lighter. Okay, to be honest, if you ask me, I don't know if this game is scary because it's not actually scary. The sound effect is scary when she show up. Here's the Oh, she's there. She's there. We need to hide. All right. Oh God, this is not the hiding spot. Boom! Oh, so that's some kind of like a slender thing. Oh, look at that. Am I recording or something? Because I think I am. Is she still there?
Get out! Get alive!
Hey, get alive, lady! Get alive, woman! Alright, come on! Kakati ko, yo! Nan-kun? I mean, Nan-chan? Now, where am I going now? I'm not gonna go there. No. I don't know what to do in this game. I don't know what to do. Oh! Genius! That's how you play and... Oh God. What happened to my flashlight? Oh no, she's here. Oh no, she's here. She's here. Help me. Okay, she's gone. Oh God. I don't know where. How am I supposed to do this if I can't see a thing? Run for my life! Run! All you need to do is to run. And then... Oh! Alright, let's go check the bathroom. I hope she's not here! Check the bathroom and then take the plank. The wooden plank. Hey, nun! Are you gonna massacre me? Well, too bad you can't do it. What? Yay! Whee! High five. That's not how you high five. Oh wait, are we? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna go back. I can't see a thing. I'm sorry. We need to take the lighter. I'm too scared at the dark, and I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking. It's not obvious, but I'm damn scared. Wait, I already did. No. Oh, there. Yes. Woo! 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 Alright, be careful this time. Good choice, be careful. I don't want to do it again. And I'm sick of it. Alright, good job. Now we can go here. Hello! Where's my daughter? I mean my son. I mean my child. Someone fapping? Hey! What does he say? I draw a map so I won't get lost. Wow, good job for the map. Alright, good job. To be honest, this building is creepier. Oh, we're back again in here. Alright, good job. Can we go here? Wait, where did I go again? Oh yeah, right there, of course. I know. I know! I know, okay? I know. Don't worry, I know what to do. Actually, I don't know what to do. I'm lost. The freaking map is not even helping. Ah! Ah! The door has a glass window. Oh, whoa, 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 wait a second. No, you don't need to hide. I'm not a pussy. Oh my god, shut up! Alright, we need to find a rock. Oh! Ah! Oh my god, it's so goddamn loud in my ear! So goddamn loud in my ear, damn it. Oh no, she's here. It's so goddamn loud, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it! Oh wait, I'm sorry. I thought she was chasing me. Alright, no, that's not a scream. No. I'm not scared, don't worry. Okay, let me use my lighter because this is my only friend. Oh! Oh god, what the hell did I see? Oh. Is that a child? What? Oh, whoa, okay. Okay. Boom! Who's the boss? Huh? Oh god, it's still locked. God damn it. Ah, we're dead. Oh god, where is she? Where is she? Ah! 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 Oh, run for my life, bitch! Okay, let's be careful. Let's be careful. Oh, god damn it, this freaking game. Give me a heart attack. Don't do that again. Please, don't do it again. Who opened the door? I didn't even open these doors. God damn it! I don't want to play this game anymore. Oh my god, what is that? What do you want? I just opened the door. I don't want to play this game. I'm playing this game at night. Shut up, Thunder. You think you can scare me? What am I doing wrong? What is that? Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, good job. Oh, I'm still alive. That's a miracle. I mean, I'm dead. Let's do this one more time. And that's all. I'm done. I'm done playing this game. I can't play this game at all. I regret that this game is stupid. This game is not actually scary. No, I regret that saying that. I'm sorry. This game is scarier than I thought. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry I said that. Okay, this game is scary. Oh, there's a cross. I better leave it alone. I need to take that cross because there's someone demon who wants to get my ass. I don't know why. But I thought she's a nun. But why is she trying to kill me? Did she kill my daughter? Oh my god, to be honest, if I am here, I know Kung Fu. And I will do a Kung Fu right over in her Bigana. Alright, I'm so sorry that I said that. This freaking thing, I always die in here. I mean, no, what is that? Is it some kind of trap thingy? Well, good job, nun. Good job for doing that trap thing. Oh! Oh, okay. You scared me twice. Wait, I think that's my child. No, I'm not. That is not my child. Boom. Because I'm a boss. Oh, so you need to. Oh my god! I just need to freaking jump. What is this? Yay! There's a radar. All right. Oh. Where am I? I'm just gonna use my flashlight. I'm not trust. I don't trust that. Okay, so we're here. I hope that girl is not following me. Oh, so we can. Oh, I didn't even see this. God dang it. Okay, let's go here. I wonder what's in here. We need to find some useful things. I mean, this lighter is useful. Oh no, we can't go there. I can't pass. Ah, come on. Ah, I'm stuck. Oh yeah, by the way, that scream, that girly scream that I did. Well, that's not actually real. That's a fake one. Okay. Don't worry, that's a fake one. I'm not scared. I am a pro at this game. I'm a pro at playing a kind of horror game. Whoa, where the hell am I? Oh, this is new. Okay, let me just check if there's a trap because I hate traps. Maybe there's a key in the toilet, okay? I'm just making sure. Or maybe here. Oh, I knew it. Knew it. Oh, what did I tell you? Huh? Oh wait, that's... I can't reach. Oh, come. This is the problem. Hello? What happened here? Torturing a kid. That's what happened. Oh, and this one is open. Hello? Are you hiding something? Dear diary, I need to pee really bad in class, but Mother Apollonia would listen. I couldn't hold it, so I tried to pee a little at my desk, but she found out. Everybody laughed at me. I had to clean it up and walk around in my underwear the rest of the day. The other kids called me pee pants. Now I'm never going to have a friend. I'm trying to pray more if Jesus is watching me, but I feel so alone. I don't know what to write, so what's the end? Alright, don't worry, I will save you. I will save you, child, my child. I mean, I don't give a damn about you, but I will do that for the sake of the game. Oh my god, closing the door is so annoying. Hates me. She pulled me out of class today, but I didn't do anything. I got the rule 5 times. I hate it here. I can't make friends. Nobody else wants to talk to me. What? I really don't believe in God. If God was real, there wouldn't be so many bad people in the world. I miss mommy and my old friends. I want to go to home and to our normal school. Alright, don't worry. I'm here. I think, oh yeah, I'm a girl, of course. I am a mommy. Of course. Don't worry. I will save you. I hope that girl, I hope that nun is she can't go. Oh, come on. Don't, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, you gotta be kidding me. Maybe there's a way that some kind of useful thing, like a key. Wait, maybe we need to do that. Oh wait, we did go there. I don't know, am I still going? Oh, hey, what up? Did we go here? Oh, this one is... And we can still hide in the bed. Oh, great, fantastic. Mannequin. Whoa, hello. Hey, say hi to my... Oh wow, what just happened? Did it just end there? No, it's not. Maybe there's a way that we need to find the key or something. And then, yeah, because there's a lot of locked doors, right? Yeah? Hey. You okay?
You're a pussy!
Shut up. I'm not scared. You think I'm scared? No, I'm not. I'm not.
Ah, you're a fucking pig!
What did you say to me?
Scaredy cat pussy!
So you know what? Get out of there. Get out. That's all of it. Alright. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't, but if you comment that there's more of this game, well then I'll play with my damn friends. I'm not gonna play this alone. Sorry, no. Sorry, I'm not. I can't do it anymore. Alright. Is that all? Oh, the thunder. That's the most scariest part. The thunder, of course. The thunder. All right. Goodbye. That's all.